Hi, I'm Ansh Goyal, and on this Father's Day, I would like to pay tribute to my father in the form of a self-composed poem titled as To the Bearer I Sing. I squint towards you the mirage in the mist of my troubled sleep. I squint towards you the mirage in the mist of my troubled sleep. I wade through the preppy waters. I wade through the preppy waters. My eyes, they begin to dew too. My eyes, they begin to dew too. Sweat falls from the back of my neck into the sinister waters. Then your face crosses my eyes. Then your face crosses my eyes, calloused past, adding to its gloom. And I dream of rising again. Whining with thirst, I follow myself to you. Whining with thirst, I follow myself to you. Whining with thirst, I follow myself to you. The wind turns savory, watery, moist, and drenched. The wind turns savory, watery, moist, and drenched. The bluster too wants me to admire you. You are too cavernous an entity to be consumed. An old potter in some distant town, with a comely smile and hands turned round, brushes one out, weeps with glee, says, let's see how long you'll stay with me. Says, let's see how long you'll stay with me. Thank you.